In this video I'm going to correct a minor oversight from my previous video that was brought to light during the premiere of it. I'm going to show you how the audio lead is connected via the CE19. So all I can say is, hi, my name's John, amateur radio call sign M7CPT. Welcome to Amateur Radio on the Air. This is just a little addition to my previous video on how to set up the foot switch on the G90. When the video was aired, someone pointed out in the chat that I'd forgotten to show how I actually connect the audio lead. Now, the video for making the audio lead, I'll put a link up here, and it's exactly the same lead for using with FT8 and FT4 and the Digimodes. Here's how I use it. As you can see here, both leads are currently plugged into the sound card. Now what I want is the lead from the speaker side, so this green lead. I'm going to take that over to the mixing desk. I'll just change the camera angle so I can show you the mixing desk and show you what I'm doing there. Okay, as you can see on the mixing desk, I've got the microphone coming in here. The bass, mid and treble, I'll have to adjust them at a later date once I can actually get a signal out sufficient for people to hear me. These two leads go to the computer, for the sound to the computer. This one is the headphone jack, and all I do is plug in the lead that I use for the data to the headphones. Just turn the camera a little. As you can see, the CE19 is still connected to the AF con. And there's been no changes there. I have the master volume for the output to the computer, and the headphones I turn up to maximum. One other little added bonus that this gives me, because the audio output from the G90 is still plugged into the microphone on the USB sound card, I can actually stream the audio from the radio to the computer at the same time as listening to it. Unfortunately, my propagation today is non-existent for voice modes, so all I can say on that is look forward to future videos. With all that being said, I hope this clarifies what I've actually done with the sound side of things, and when the propagation improves, catch you on the air.